Okay, we have assigned resources, but something is clearly wrong because when I'm looking at those tasks, they take longer than I expected. I was expecting, based on my basic option, that they will be working on 12-hour shift, but it looked like it's an 8-hour shift and they're not working over the weekend. So I can see a day here and another day, so it takes 3 days instead of 2 days if they were working on 12-hour shift. So let's go to the calendar. So if I go back in the resource sheet, they are on a standard calendar, and I will probably need to create 12 hours day shift and 12-hour night shift if I want those people to work 24-hour for that shutdown. So let's go into project, change working time, and I'm gonna create a new calendar. Well, let's first look at the standard project. So definitely look like they're not working on the weekend, and it's probably a normal work week. If I go into the detail, just click on Monday, and I can see that the basic is from 8 o'clock in the morning to 12, 13 to 17. So we'll create a new calendar. So let's click on create new calendar. It will be called 12-hour day. I'm going to create it from scratch. And now let's go into, make sure you are on that tab here, work weeks, and click on the detail. I will hold the shift key, select all the day, change that setting to set days to the specific working time, and they're going to work from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. And now I have a new calendar for my people on 12-hour shift, day shift. And let's create a new one, but on the night shift, 12-hour night. Yes, I want to change I want to change, change this Sunday to Saturday. And this one is going to be a little different. So let's click that bottom setup here, and they're gonna work from 6 p.m. to midnight, and then from midnight to 6 a.m. Click OK, and now I will have that new calendar, and click close, and now I will go and assign everyone for now to the day shift. So I'm gonna change to 12 hours a day. This one too. This one also. This one and this one. So everyone now is assigned on the 12-hour day shift. And I will go back on my Gantt. So I will click task and click back on the Gantt. And now you can see that the duration of my project has shortened to 28 hours because now they're working on a 12-hour shift and my project will finish earlier. So that's how you manage and create calendar.